In 2016, 23 couples who had applied for asylum in Denmark were separated from the authorities or by the authorities because one of the partners was a minor. The order for this came from Inger Støjberg, then Minister for Foreign Affairs. Now she's on trial for offense. The former Danish Foreigners and Integration Minister Inger Støjberg has to answer before a special court from today. She's said to have abused her position when, in February 2016, she instructed the authorities to house couples of asylum seekers separately if one partner was under the age of 18. It is completely unacceptable that child brides are housed with their spouses in Danish asylum centers, she wrote on her Facebook page at the time. And she wrote, "This has to be stopped immediately, and I will notify the Danish immigration authorities immediately." 23 couples were separated from each other on instruction. In many cases, the spouses were placed in different reception centers. No consideration was given to joint children or pregnancy. No case was considered individually. This instruction from Støjberg caused concern at the Red Cross and the immigration authorities, and they asked for exemption rules for specific cases. According to a report in the Danish newspaper Informations, it was about a heavily pregnant woman that was severely traumatized. In another case, the man had serious health problems. In March 2016, a couple finally brought an action against the forced separation to the ombudsman, who came to the conclusion that the order was not in accordance with applicable national law. 3 years later, the Copenhagen City Court awarded both of them 10,000 krones in damages. Inger Støjberg is now accused of having given the immigration authorities instructions that were illegal. Støjberg has always denied that. The whole thing ultimately led to her leaving the conservative Venstre Party. At the beginning of February this year, a majority in the Danish parliament finally voted in favor of bringing Støjberg to a special court for offences, including members of her own party. Proceedings before so-called Rigsgericht are very rare in Denmark. The instance deals with the allegations against ministers for unlawful exercise of office. It is only the 6th in Danish history and the 2nd in the last 100 years. At a preparatory meeting in June, Støjberg said, "I have not asked anyone to do anything illegal." She is pleased that the process is now beginning. The process should be completed before Christmas. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.